Hi, this is Dr. Frezza at the Chiropractic and Injury Center. Today we're going to be talking about the road to recovery. Now, we did a whole video on this last time around, and we spent time talking about why maintenance care is important. The reason we're doing this video today is I had someone come in, we were looking at this chart, and they said, I understand it, but really what are the nuts and bolt reasons that I should be doing maintenance care? And I said, one of the things that is most important to me, and I think it's important to a lot of the patients that I've talked about, is as we get older, joints begin to wear out, right? After a certain age, a lot of patients who come in, they have hip replacements, right? They have knee replacements, or more, the medical doctor tells them, you're not a candidate yet, but guess what? 5 years from now, 10 years from now, if you stay on the road that you're on, you're going to be a replacement, a candidate for one of these joint replacement surgeries. One of the things that is important is making sure that the person stays in adjustment. What we find from a chiropractic standpoint is there's a leg length discrepancy. We've talked about it on previous videos, right? When the hips and pelvis move out of position because the legs are attached, the leg, one side will be shorter than the other. When that happens, it has a tendency to tilt the person either to the right-hand side or to the left-hand side. Usually the side that's short is the side that the person tilts to. Think of it this way. Think about going into the closet and getting a high heel shoe and a flat shoe, and then walking around like that for a couple of years, right? When one side is higher than the other, because one is a high heel shoe and a flat shoe, you're going to lean to the side that the flat shoe is on. The side that you lean to is where the weight of the head and the weight of the torso is going to go, right? So the knees, the hips, they're all the same age, right? The left knee and the right knee are the same age. The left hip and the right hip are the same age. Why is one side wearing out quicker than the other? And the reason is, it has to do with these leans or these tilts. When one leg is shorter than the other, you're going to lean to that side. The weight of the head, the weight of the torso is then going to put more pressure, right, more weight on that side, and it's going to wear out quicker. And that's where a lot of joint replacement surgeries come in. So one of my jobs as a chiropractor, once we get into this maintenance care here, is to keep the person level, keep the hips level, keep the feet level, so that they're walking on two legs as opposed to leaning and walking on one leg. What we find is that if we do that and that we maintain it, we can keep people, have the greatest chance of keeping people off the surgeon's table, and that's a good thing for everyone but the surgeon. So this is Dr. Frezza at the Chiropractic and Injury Center. Thanks for watching.